Hello students, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and very warm welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we will cover imperative sentences. There is a separate playlist of sentences in English language on my channel. The link of the same will be available right in the description box. Now without any further ado or delay, let's get started. What is an imperative sentence? An imperative sentence expresses number 1, some instruction, command, order or direction. So therefore, an imperative sentence expresses 4 major points. The first one is it will give instruction, command, order or direction, or it expresses a request in a sentence, or it gives an advice or suggestion, and the fourth is it also gives invitation or a wish. Point to be noted here is that the punctuation of an imperative sentence is a period, okay, that is a full stop, but sometimes it can also have an exclamation point, an exclamation mark. Those sentences are of wish category basically. Enjoy some fresh strawberries. Give me a few weeks to make up my mind. Feel free to text me later. What do all of these sentences have in common? All these are the examples of imperative sentences expressing functions such as requests, suggestions, advice or commands. Now, if you talk about the subject in an imperative sentence, it is implicit or it is hidden and it is already understood as you, okay. If it is written or it is not written, it means that it is meant to be you. And the sentences of this function advice, they may have an explicit or implicit subject. Therefore, in sentences like advices, the subject might be given as you, or therefore it could be an implicit subject, okay. So therefore the subject is the person listening or the audience. In other word, if an imperative sentence is directed at you, then you are the subject of that particular sentence, and therefore it begins with verbs most of the times, like enjoy, give, feel, as it is in these sentences. The examples of the different functions of imperative sentences will be discussed under this video one by one. We will start with instruction, command, order, direction. Now what does instruction mean? Instruction is a direction or an order. Command is an authoritative order, whereas order is an authoritative command. So command and order is literally the same. Next is direction. When you give guidance to someone, that is direction. It could be the way to the mall, or it could be any other guidance in any other field. The first example is complete the assignment by Thursday. Now it could be an instruction, it could be an order. In spoken exchange, we really come to know according to the tone of the speaker and how the person is serious about it, okay, when he speaks. The next example is go straight and turn left. So this is an example of direction. The next example is don't touch a switch with wet hands. Don't touch a switch with wet hands. So this is an example of instruction, maybe to a younger one. The next function of an imperative sentence is advice. What does advice mean? So basically, an advice is a recommendation offered with regard to prudent future action, okay. Whenever you advise someone, it is for their good, it is for their safety, it is for their better future, etc. Have a look at these examples here. You should be honest in your dealings. You're advising someone to be honest. The next one is one must obey traffic rule. So this is also a general advice. An advice by an English teacher like me could sound like read a lot to improve your vocabulary and expression. The third function of an imperative sentence is request. What is request? Request is an act of asking someone politely or formally, especially when you ask for something, you'll ask politely, and then the sentences should contain some soft approaching words like please. Have a look at these set of examples here. Do me a favor, please. Kindly grant me a leave of absence. So here kindly is showing that you are requesting someone. Please lend me a pen to write my paper. So here please again is showing that you are requesting, you are asking someone something very politely, softly. We all love invitations, right? So invitation means when you are verbally, or it can be in written, when you are requesting someone either verbally or in written, is invitation. There are numerous examples like birthday invitation, party invitation, wedding invitation, a coffee invitation, a chat invitation, etc. So therefore have a look at these examples here. Come have a cup of coffee with me. So you are inviting someone, you are approaching verbally, right? Let's visit the zoo today. Okay, you are approaching your friend to visit the zoo. Next is, would you like to join us for lunch? You are inviting someone for having food together. So therefore invitation is a request which could be verbal or written, and therefore it is an approach, it is an invitation, and it is very much used in spoken exchanges. The next and the last function of an imperative sentence is wish. When you wish someone, you actually express a hope that someone enjoys success or happiness. Basically, when you give blessings to someone, it is a wish. So therefore we have seen our parents, grandparents, our relatives, our siblings, especially the people who love us, give us blessings, and they express a hope that we enjoy success and happiness. Have a look at these examples here. Have a nice day. Have a safe and enjoyable journey. Show them your mettle. So yes guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you found it useful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to press that bell icon so that you can get regular notifications. Until then, keep learning, keep growing.